The Bermuda Triangle. This infamous stretch of ocean has captivated the world for decades. Ships and planes vanish without a trace. Was it human error, nature's wrath, or something more sinister? Sailors spoke of strange occurrences. Is this patch of ocean unique or just maritime folklore? One theory revolves around magnetic anomalies. The Earth's magnetic field is not uniform. Could the Bermuda Triangle harbour variations enough to throw compasses off course? Imagine relying on your compass only to find it spinning uselessly. Your heart would race as you realise the gravity of the situation. Could this explain the disorientation reported by some who have traversed the Bermuda Triangle? Deep below the ocean surface, another potential culprit lurks: methane hydrates. These icy deposits can break free under certain conditions. Imagine a sudden, violent eruption of methane gas. Ships caught in the maelstrom are tossed like toys. Could this explain the sudden disappearance of vessels in the Bermuda Triangle? The ocean is a powerful force, capable of unimaginable fury. Rogue waves towering over 100 feet can appear suddenly. Imagine sailing through calm waters, then a monstrous wave dwarfs your vessel. Could this be the fate of some lost in the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle is known for its unpredictable weather patterns. Hurricanes and sudden violent squalls are constant threats. Imagine a hurricane, a rogue wave, and a methane hydrate release converging. Even seasoned sailors and sturdy ships would stand little chance. While we're drawn to dramatic explanations, we can't discount human error. The ocean is vast and unforgiving. Navigational errors, equipment failures, and poor judgment can have catastrophic consequences. The Bermuda Triangle is particularly challenging to navigate. Could some disappearances be due to human mistakes, magnified by the sea's unforgiving nature? While science explains some mysteries, incidents defy rational explanation. Ships vanish without a trace, distress calls cut short, and eerie tales from survivors contribute to the legend. Some whisper of paranormal forces. Could there be more to the Bermuda Triangle than meets the eye? Nestled within the Bermuda Triangle lies the Saso Sea, named for its vast mats of sargassum seaweed. Imagine a ship trapped in an endless expanse of seaweed. While the Saso Sea can be a navigational hazard, it's unlikely to cause disappearances. The ocean floor is a realm of perpetual darkness, home to creatures and formations beyond our wildest imaginations. The Bermuda Triangle is no exception. Deep ocean trenches, plunging thousands of feet, scar this region. Imagine a ship sinking rapidly into one of these trenches. The ocean floor becomes the ultimate graveyard, its secrets locked away in a watery tomb. The Bermuda Triangle remains an enigma where the natural and unexplained collide. Science sheds light on some mysteries, but a lure remains. Is it paranormal, or just a region demanding respect and caution? The ocean is powerful and unpredictable, a potent reminder it's where fact and fiction blur and imagination runs wild.